Hello everyone, I'm Joy. Today I would like to introduce how the machine works. This is the fully automatic coffee vending machine. It with a coin acceptor with a cup dispenser. Now first, when you get the machine, please add the water from the top or use the water pump. Now we can plug it in. And back of the machine, there is a switch. Turn it on. Okay, now the machine is heating. After heating, there will display P.00, and the use light is on. So you can use this machine right now. Now we open it. Here we will see the 3 canisters. And take one canister out. And move the alternate up. Open it. And the coffee powders into the canister. And close it. Install it. Okay, move this alternate down. So finish the coffee powder, and the other canisters also do like it. Now we set the coins. Here is 1 coin. Now we put 1 coin here into the coin slot. Like it. Now the machine can identify this coin. Close it. You can put 1 coin and press the button to get the coffee, chocolate, or tea. The drink will display here. So thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.